Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're unlocking a foundational digital skill in this explainer, Mac screen recording. Whether you're aiming to create some awesome content or just need to shoot a quick tutorial over to a colleague, mastering your native built-in screen recording tools is absolutely step number one. It's really your gateway to digital creation, so let's get right into it. We've all been there, right? You need to capture exactly what's on your screen perfectly, but you really don't want to deal with downloading extra, expensive third-party apps, dealing with annoying subscriptions, or those super ugly watermarks. Well, the good news? A completely frictionless, high-definition solution is literally already sitting on your hard drive, just waiting to be used. Okay, let's dive into this. Here's our built-in roadmap for today. It's just 4 simple steps. First up, Launchpad. Second, QuickTime. Third, Record. And fourth, Create. That's the whole shebang. Section 1. Finding your built-in tools. And remember, absolutely no external downloads are required here. All right, so first things first. Head down to your dock and look for that red arrow pointing to the colorful Launchpad grid icon right at the bottom of the screen. See it? Give that a click. It's basically the front door to every single application installed on your machine. And it's the essential first step to capturing your ideas. Once you're inside the Launchpad, keep the momentum going and look for the red circle highlighting the folder titled Other. Apple kind of groups a lot of its core, behind-the-scenes utilities in here just to keep things clean. We're reaching right into this exact folder to grab our essential tool. Moving on to Section 2, setting up the recording. This is where the magic happens, and we actually activate our core creative tool. Right inside that Other folder, you're going to find the QuickTime Player icon, circled there in red. Now, you might be thinking, wait, isn't that classic media player just for watching videos? Actually, scratch that. It is secretly an incredibly powerful native screen capture device. Selecting it essentially wakes up your Mac's internal recording engine. Now, when you click it, notice that no giant window pops up in the middle of your screen. Instead, you need to look all the way up at your top menu bar where that red arrow is pointing. Navigate over to File and simply choose New Screen Recording. So, the crucial point is making sure you select New Screen Recording here rather than a movie or audio file. This tells your Mac, hey, stop playing back video and start capturing my display. All right, Section 3, Mastering the Record Toolbar. Let's slow down the pacing for just a second here to really make sure we understand the specific controls that are about to pop up. You'll see a sleek new toolbar appear right at the bottom of your display. Now, while those icons with the dashed lines are just for taking static screenshots, you'll want to focus on the solid line icons for capturing video. Just look for that red box at the bottom. And this brilliantly illustrates how easy it is. Just hover over that specific icon and select Record Entire Screen to ensure every single detail of your entire workspace is captured flawlessly. And finally, Section 4. Learn, build, and inspire. Because honestly, mastering this technical step isn't just about clicking buttons in software. It's really about unlocking your full creative potential.